This is a short tutorial for the prototype of a smartboard application for Toothpaste MEA. So in general, model listing activities or MEAs are open-ended math problems. In this case, Toothpaste MEA asks students to rank different toothpastes based on 4 criteria. This is a web-based application, so we don't need to install anything. You can just run the application from the browser. If we just click on the main icon, or we can go to the application. As I mentioned before, we have 4 criteria: performance, safety, taste, and cost, and we have 5 different versions of toothpaste that we want to rank them. So basically, each action to solve the problem has 3 steps. So we have to choose an action. So if I click on the toothbrush, 7 different actions in this prototype we have. So I can highlight some faces in the table to just see how many like a smile or sad faces I have. I can remove some faces. We can assign weight to different columns in the table if I think, for example, performance is more important than, let's say, cost. I can assign value to different faces. So for example, I can assign higher value to happy faces, lower value to sad faces. Then I can find a minimum or maximum in a column if I needed to, and I can sum or add all the values in each row. So for example, I will go and let's say highlight happy faces. So if I just click on that and the face sticks and all the other 2 faces would disappear, then I would click on the toothpaste to choose which column I want to find the happy faces. I can select a column, or I can click on the all to show, basically to highlight all happy faces in the table. And at the end of each step, we have to push the run button to just show us to just run the action basically. I can go and, for example, remove all sad faces, let's say, from performance. And basically, so that's some sort of a solution, just going by elimination and removing different faces and rows until we find the best one. The refresh button here, I can click on that to clear the screen and start over. Another possible solution would be assigning values to the faces. So I will go and assign a value to happy face. I will assign 10. I just punch in 10 and click on accept and run. So it shows number 10 on beside the faces. I will go and assign to okay faces 5. And finally, I assign to sad face 2 and just run. So we have a value for each faces. So I think, for example, safety is more important than others, and also cost is important for me. So I will go and assign 3 to safety. So all value in the safety would count like 3 times as others. So assign weight 3 to safety, and I just run it, and it basically multiply all values in safety by 3. As you can see, all actions are color coded, so it's easy to trace basically which action is doing what. So I will assign a weight of 2 and accept the value to the cost and just run that. So and finally, I will go and just sum everything we have to see the score for each toothpaste. So the last step would be finding maximum to see the best toothpaste. We have to rank the toothpastes, but for now, just to see the best toothpaste, I would just go and find the maximum in the last column and just run it. So as you can see, toothpaste version C in this case is the best one, and we have to go backward and like find the second maximum and third maximum to find to rank the toothpastes. And to start over and do another application, you can just click on the refresh button and start over.